Hi guys! Good morning! So, kumusta ang New Year nyo no? So, nakita, tingnan mo yung aking aga guys, yung decoration ko sa likod nandyan pa yan. Kasi nga, hindi talaga ako nagligpit ng one. So, ayan oh, table, nagkalat yung table guys. Oh. Yan. Tapos yung mga hugasan ko, tingnan nyo naman yung mga hugasan ko guys. So, this is what I look doing. It's my first time. So, this is from since 31. I don't wash in January 1. So this is my first time not to wash like everything after New Year, especially when it comes January 1. So ayan. Yan. So today is we're gonna wash. So hugasan ko yan. So this is what is my New Year in Japan. So ito lang yung ano ko guys. So inaani nga ako New Year dito sa Japan no. So pag first time ko ngayon gagawin ito na hindi ako maghugas ng January 1. So let's go for more.